Hello everyone, today we have a 2021 Honda Accord Sport. And that is running good, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take it for a tour. Okay. And you see any of these LEDs that flicker? That doesn't do that to the human eye, that's a refresh rate of the camera that's doing that. See, it does have fog lights up front and alloy wheels, dual exhausts, and I will pop the trunk from inside. Okay. See, it does have a large trunk. See, it has a combination of leather and fabric seats. We show this VIN right here. And I will upload some still photos as well. Okay, so we're going to come down here first thing and turn this down so you can hear me better. But as you look down here, you'll see that it has 13,625 miles on this vehicle. And you do have paddle shifters. And then your stereo controls right here. And your push to talk. And then you got your cruise control over here. And you got your push button start. And we'll come up here. And you can just bounce on home so you can see the different apps. You see that you do have AM, FM, Bluetooth. And then you can do system updates. Then your compass. We'll turn the radio down. Okay, and then if you wanted to see the backup camera, there's the backup camera. Okay, and then it has text messaging, trip computer, and then you can bounce over to the clock or the audio for the different sources. Okay, and then we come over here and you have your comfort controls, 12-volt power outlet, 2 USBs right here. And as you come down here, you have your remote, your key fob, and then you got your shifter, sport mode, econ, automatic start stop, and then as we come over here, you got your another 12-volt power outlet. And then up in here you have your glasses holder and map reading light, and that about wraps it up for this Honda on the interior. This vehicle does have a branded title. There was some damage on the roof, basically from the hood to the trunk. The airbags did not deploy. There was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.